Hi there, welcome back to Project Tedford. In today's video, I want to explore whether you should purchase Etsy plans for your next woodworking project. I'm going to explore that today by building this house bed from these Etsy plans. And at the end of the video, I'm going to share my thoughts with you on whether or not that was worth it. Keeping in mind the idea of saving time by purchasing Etsy plans, I purchased some pre-milled lumber from the big box store.
Next quick step is to label your boards and mark them for cuts.
Next step, measure, mark your holes, and in this case, this is all for butt joints. As quick as that, we're on to assembly. Always a good idea to knock down the edges of your project, especially for something that's going to be a toddler's bed. Important part of any Etsy build is to make sure you embarrass your family by rocking an outfit like this with flip-flops and a respirator. Before I show you the finished product, I just want to share my thoughts with you real quick. Should you buy your plans for your woodworking projects off of Etsy? My answer is yes, with a caveat. The amount of time you will save yourself by not designing the project yourself is phenomenal. But the quality of the plans may definitely vary. And for instance, in this case, they use screws for all the joinery, which worked really well in this case. But if I was doing things over myself, I would have made sure that I used my own joinery, whether that's dowels or dominoes or some kind of mortise and tenon. The other thing that you might want to think about is that these plans are not designed for your house or your specific location. You may want to custom design, how your particular project works or the space that it fits into. And if you buy generic plans, you're not going to get that customization out of it. Enough of me talking about it. Let's check out the finished product. This turned out really well.
Okay, I did it once.
Okay. Are you helping? Thank you for helping.
I want you to do it.